Hi guys, it's Alex here from Homey. In this video, I want to show you how to pair up your dimmable LED bulb from KlikAaNKlikUit or Trust Smart Home. In this case, I have model number E2709. I'm going to show you how to pair this up to Homey and show you briefly what the controls look like for controlling this smart device. Let's jump into it. So in the Homey app, let's head to Devices and hit the plus in the top right. Here, you want to search for the brand name for this device. In this case, KlikAaNKlikUit. So I'm going to type in Klik, and I'll choose the KlikAaNKlikUit app. Here, you'll find a list of the devices that Homey supports that are made by KlikAaNKlikUit. So there's a long list of all kinds of different devices that's supported on Homey. In this case, I have the E2709, so let's choose that. I'll tap on the tile and hit connect. Now, as always, Homey offers detailed pairing instructions for the device you're trying to pair. Now, in this case, I'm told to toggle the device 3 times off and on. Let's do this now. I have a handy little desk stand here. I can screw in my lamp, and this allows me to toggle it 3 times. So, 1, 2, and 3. Now, on the 3rd time, it actually goes into pairing mode, and this is when you want to hit next. Now, Homey asks, did the device turn off and on? In this case, it did turn off and on, so I'll hit the check mark. Once successfully paired, you'll see the device appear on your home screen. Now, from here, if I hold on the tile, I can get the device options. So I can turn the device off, turn it back on. I can also swipe to the right and dim the lamp. So I've dimmed it down, and I can dim it back up to full brightness. Now, from here, you can also create flows with Homey. And this helps have this bulb really become a part of your smart home. So it allows you to create those automations that makes life that much easier.